Before you begin, remove the base enclosure and disconnect the battery. Removal. Note, the heatsink has numbers adjacent to the following 4 screws. Loosen the 4 captive P1 Phillips head screws that secure the heatsink over the processor in numerical order. Note, due to the adhesive quality of the thermal grease located between the heatsink and processor components, it may be necessary to move the heatsink from side to side to detach it from the motherboard. Remove the heatsink from the motherboard. Important: before installing a new heatsink, all thermal grease must be removed from the processor and processor components before the new heatsink is installed. Reverse this procedure to install the heatsink